In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Stripe payments in WordPress with SCA. By the end, you'll have Stripe added to your WooCommerce store and ready to handle strong customer authentication, so your customers can pay securely and you can stay compliant. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to WooCommerce. If you don't see it, make sure WooCommerce is installed and active on your site. Inside WooCommerce, open Settings. This is where all your store's core configuration lives, including payments. Next, go to the Payments tab. This section controls which gateways your customers can use at checkout. You'll see options already available and a link to expand the list. Click. See more payment options. This opens the catalog of gateways supported directly within WooCommerce, and among them, you'll find Stripe. Find Stripe and click it, then choose Add to Store. WooCommerce will add Stripe to your payments list and launch the setup process. Follow the prompts on screen to set it up as a payment option. The setup typically asks you to connect your site to your Stripe account so the two can talk securely. If you're already logged into Stripe in your browser, this goes quickly. Otherwise, you'll be guided to sign in and authorize the connection. Once connected, Stripe shares what it needs with WooCommerce safely in the background, so you don't have to paste keys manually. As part of this setup, Stripe enables strong customer authentication by default where it's required, like in the EU and UK. SCA means customers may be asked to complete an extra step, such as a one-time code or a 3D secure prompt from their bank. You don't need to configure complex rules. Stripe handles the authentication flow, and WooCommerce displays the prompts right in your checkout. Before finishing, review the basic settings shown on the screen, such as your business name for statements and the currencies you sell in. Keep these consistent with your store details to avoid confusion for customers. When you're done, confirm and save your settings so Stripe is enabled. That's it. You've opened your WordPress site, gone into WooCommerce, visited settings, selected payments, explored more payment options, added Stripe to your store, and completed the setup so it's ready for SCA-compliant card payments. To confirm everything is in place, visit your checkout page and you should now see Stripe available as a payment method. If anything doesn't appear, revisit the Payments tab and ensure Stripe is toggled on. You're now ready to accept secure Stripe payments in WordPress with SCA.